Hey guys, Troy here. This is Overcome by Elevation Worship. I'm playing the parts bigger on this one than the actual guitar parts are. I think sometimes in our context it makes sense to do that, to kind of beef up the parts in a live setting. And so I'm playing octaves during the chorus, trying to emphasize the high note of the octave more than the low, instead of playing just the single note line as it's played. One of the cool things about this song that I like is it helps me kind of showcase the power of the hybrid Kemper setup. That big guitar line in the chorus in between the stanzas, basically. I get to turn on a pog effect and like a super heavy overdrive at one time with one of the buttons on the remote. So it's pulling an overdrive and a pog effect from the inside of the Kemper instead of using the ones on my pedal board. It's a pretty cool thing. So the words in this song I love. I think it helps us to contemplate the chorus when it says, "We will not be moved when the earth gives way, because the risen one is overcome." And you know, in our lives, the Christian life is not an easy one. And if you're led to believe that, then you're being led astray. We are not meant for prosperity. We are not meant for perfect health or perfect blessing as it relates to material things of this earth. We will experience trials, and Jesus promised us that, but he also promised us that he will never leave us or forsake us. The risen one has indeed overcome. If you're stumbling on this video and you don't know Jesus, I'd love the chance to talk to you about him and how he's changed my life and how I know he can change yours and transform you too. This is Elevation Worship, Overcome, Key of A. Hope you guys enjoy it.
Verse. Chorus. Bridge.